नोटबंदी पर संसद में घमासान मचा है। विपक्षी दल चर्चा को तैयार नहीं है। हर दिन हंगामे की ही भेंट चढ़ रहा है लोकसभा और राज्यसभा। संसद में जारी गतिरोध पर देश के राष्ट्रपति प्रणब मुखर्जी ने पहली बार चुप्पी तोड़ी है। राष्ट्रपति मुखर्जी ने कहा कि संसद में गतिरोध को स्वीकार नहीं किया जा सकता। उन्होंने अपील करते हुए कहा कि भगवान के लिए अपना काम करें।
In a year, parliaments are in session. For demonstration, you can choose any other places. But for God's sake, do your job. You are meant to transact business. You are meant to devote your time for exercising the authorities of the members, particularly of Lok Sabha members, over money and finance. When India's budget was paltry, very meager amount, outlay of the 5-year plan was very meager. Then 2/3 of the time of the parliament were devoted on discussing money, finance, and all others matters related to monetary transactions of the government. Because people selected representative in Lok Sabha have the singular right. No tax can be imposed without their approval. No money can be withdrawn from the Consolidated Fund of India without their approval. No amount can be spent from the Consolidated Fund of India without the approval of the Parliament. But if these issues are not debated, when we are spending 16 lakh to 18 lakh crores of rupees per year, if these things are not properly scrutinized in the floor of the House, not debated, discussed, I do not think that our parliamentary system can be very effective and can proceed successfully. Therefore, it is incumbent on the very senior leaders of various political parties, not one party or two parties, because I have no intention of accusing any individuals. But fact remains that it has become a practice which should not be acceptable at all. Whatever be the differences, we have the opportunity to speak our mind, to speak freely, and even no court can interfere what I say on the floor of the House. Even if I bring some allegations against some individuals, I cannot be prosecuted in the court because I said so on the floor of the House. These type of freedoms, it should not be misused by causing disruption. Disruption means what? You are gagging the majority. Majority do never participate in disruption. Only minorities come to the well, shout slogans, stop the proceedings, and create a situation where chair has no option but to adjourn the House. This is totally unacceptable. And sorry.
भगवान के लिए संसद को चलने दे, ऐसे कहने से कांग्रेस और विपक्षी दलों को एक बार सोचना चाहिए कि संसद नहीं चलने देंगे तो भला जनता के हित का काम कैसे होगा। NMF न्यूज की रिपोर्ट।